Recording in progress.
All right, family, welcome to our Sunday team huddle. You know it's going to be 15 minutes or less. If you hear any crying in the background, it's okay. My niece is going through something right now, but we're going to keep it moving, right? So the first thing, you know, we've been going over the 30-day blitz. We're going to go over that next, but I want to get the housekeeping out the way first. So at the housekeeping, anytime you want to update your auto ship, make sure, because I want to ensure that you all, when it's time for those loyalty points to start racking up, that you all don't fall behind. So right now we're going almost 3 months in, and many of you have already been in for almost 3 months. So once those loyalty points kick in for the company, you're going to be able to spend those on travel. So how do you make sure every single month that your auto ship is good to go? All you want to do is when you log in, you want to come on the first page. On the first page, you got the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. On the fourth quadrant, you want to click on Edit Auto Ship. All right. Once I click on Edit Auto Ship, you're going to see right here. So if I want to pay it from my commissions, you can pay it from your commissions. If you want to make sure it's paid from your credit card, you'll click on credit card. Okay. So anytime you update anything, just put Update Auto Ship and update, and you'll be good to go. Now, let's say you wanted to update your credit card, anything like that, right? Now, just to note, anytime you update your credit card, don't delete it. Okay, because if you delete it, you're going to have to go back through the whole, send your ID and stuff in like that. So make sure you can still keep that credit card on there, but you can always add on a credit card or debit card. It all depends, okay? So when you're doing that, what you want to do is come over to the left-hand side. You want to come down to where it says Finances. Under Finances, it's going to say Payment Types. I'm not going to click on it because it's going to show my information. But if you ever want to update your credit card information, it's going to be right here, okay? The next thing, remember that we're doing a 30-day blitz, okay? So every single day, we're doing something related to trading, because if you follow this for the next 30 days, I promise you, you will see an increase in your trading account. So what are the rules? Okay, some of you have already been doing it, like Shauna's been doing it, Jerome been sending me some information with his screenshots and everything. So a lot of you are already good to go on that. So when you come down, we want to look at the flyer, okay? So remember the flyer from last Sunday? The same exact thing. All you need to do is the requirements is complete one of these actions every single day for the next 30 days. So it can be open up a demo account, because we're going to have new people coming in over the next couple of weeks, whether it's watching one academy video. How do you get to the academy? The academy is located when you come back over to your back office, come down here to where it says affiliate members, click on affiliate, and right here where it says FX Academy Library, that's where you're going to find it at. So no matter what you're doing when you're completing a 30-day blitz, that's all you want to do. So I want to scroll down. I want to click on Forex. Once I click on Forex, and just watch any one of the videos. That's it. We're not being picky with it. The video's like 4-5 minutes long. Watch one video. We're keeping it very simple, because it's simple stuff that's going to get you the results that you need. All right, so that's one of the things. The next thing, remember, just one thing off of this checklist. You can choose one live training. So when I say one live training, remember, come back over to your back office. At the top, you see it says Home, Shopping Cart, Education, Class Schedule. So when I say attend one live training, it doesn't matter if it's our extreme training or one of our Sparta, we do the above below call at 8 a.m. Eastern time, or that call. Okay, so it should either be that call as a live training or one of the training class we have right here in the stream back office. So it doesn't matter which one, just got to be one of the two, as long as they're a trading class, okay? The next thing, it says mark up one chart daily. Now, this is to get you all comfortable, because if you're doing this every day, you're going to be a beast at the end of these 30 days. So when I say mark up one chart daily, that means utilizing one of the strategies. Whether it's the copy and paste strategy that teach you in Extreme, whether it's above below our Spartans strategy, whether it's the 7 steps that we learn on Mondays and Wednesdays, whatever it is, utilize that strategy and go ahead and start marking up your chart daily. Okay, so choose 1 or 2 pairs, but our mentor says choose 1, so we're gonna go with 1 pair and just mark it up. You'll start to get to learn that pair, and if you're doing this every day, I'm telling you, like, you really gonna start to do very extremely well when it comes to trading. All right, so the next thing, it says you can place one trade idea daily utilizing the trade ideas. Where do the trade ideas come from? Remember, they come from the Telegram group. So when you come back over to the back office, everything starts with the back office. You want to come down, all right, where it says affiliate members, or say students, affiliate pro or students, and come down to where it says FX trade ideas. Or if you're doing HFX, you got HFX trade ideas. Or if you have NADEX, you got your NADEX trade ideas, okay? But I think a lot of people trade Forex, so we're going to keep it with Forex. So FX trade ideas. And right here, if you have not already joined the group, you'll click right here to join the group. So when you're copying the trade ideas, what I recommend, I'm gonna say it every Sunday, what I recommend is when they put the trade ideas in the group, choose 1 or 2 pairs. So me, I like the EUR, AUD. That's the only pair I trade when it comes to copy and paste trade ideas. So when I see that trade come through, I click on it, I copy it straight into my MetaTrader 4, and then instead of me going for 30 pips or 40 or 60, whatever they have going on in the group, I go for 10. Because each trade will go for at least 10 pips, okay? Because they do extremely well in a trade ideas group. And then when it comes to our Monday markups that we do at Mr. Bay, you can always go for, you still can go for the 30 pips or go for 20. Okay, there's nothing wrong for going for a certain amount, because I'm telling you, these small, simple things are going to add up to large results. All right, so don't try to go for the full amount. Go for something a little less. Like I said, trade ideas group, I go for 10 pips. When it comes to the Monday markups, remember, I'm only doing, I do 2 pairs. I do NAS and I do Euro AUD. So when I do the Euro AUD coming from our Monday markups, I look at the chart. I be done mark mine up probably pretty similar to that. As soon as they post inside the Telegram group or the Discord group, okay, make sure it's inside the Discord group, I just copy it. When my alert goes off, boom, I copy it and I'm good to go. All right, and I go for 20 pips because it's going to go at least between 10 to 20 pips when it comes to those chart markups. All right, so keep that in your head. Now, the next thing, it says make sure that you post a screenshot into the Forex Vibes Telegram group for daily proof. So you see me do it, right? So all I'm doing, I fill out the form. Okay, the form is posted inside Telegram group. I put exactly what I did. If it's over the weekend, I most likely probably to analyze the chart or watch the video. I just check off whatever it is that I did. If it's during the week, I might have copied a trade I did. So whatever it is that you did, you just clicking on here. You want to come down. You want to put whatever your realistic monthly income goal is. So if mine is 5 to 10,000, I'll click on that. And then right here, this is just a reminder, because after you do this, go ahead and post a screenshot inside the Forex Vibes Q&A group. So all you're doing is taking a screenshot. You just need to make sure I just see your name and what you did, okay? Because I see all this on the back end anyway, but long if I see these two, you're good to go. So like I said, Sean has been sending it to me. Jerome, y'all are on it, okay? And I know some of y'all are actually catching up, so that's good to go as well. So remember, the whole purpose of the 30-day trading blitz is to get you all comfortable and familiar with either copying trades and getting your actual strategy together. Because I'm telling you, I'm going to tell you it out every single Sunday, and I'm going to repeat it over and over again. If you're following this every single day and you're really doing it, you're going to see an increase in your trading account. But this gets us accountability and making sure that we actually are putting in the work and utilizing our tools. All right. Then remember, when you have any questions, let me know. So as we start to progress through and doing our 30-day trading blitz, remember, we're always following the financial ladder. Okay. So always remember the 7 steps. Right now, we're creating our capital, learning how Forex works. After you create a certain capital in your Forex account or HFX, because some of you trade HFX, then you're going to go ahead and start working on your personal and business credit. Okay, and then we're just going to slowly go up the ladder, but it all starts right here because you got to start from somewhere first, right? So this is where we're starting from. So my whole goal for you all over the next, I think it's 22 days maybe, over the next 22 days, because we already started 30 days, right, is to get you all right here, get you all good to go right here. And once you've shown after 30 days that, okay, you consistently did everything, I'm going to show you a way on how to actually get your Forex account funded. Yeah, you can actually get your Forex account funded. Well, now they're going to give you the capital of like 10 G's or more to trade. So we're going to talk about that as we progress through every single Sunday, but I'm making sure I'm showing everyone is actually showing up. So while you all being on the call right now, you already know you're going to start at the end of 30 days. Like whoever, did accountability for the full 30 days, I'm going to let you know Shauna's in the lead, okay? Because I can't win my own prize. So Shauna's in the lead, so she'll be receiving the gift so far. But then also, too, I'm going to show you all on how to get your accounts funded. All right, so that's the whole point. We're all going to win together over here. We want to make sure first, though, we take care of our capital, which is learning how to trade Forex, okay? And then, of course, we already, for my marketers, because I know got Candace on the line. For the marketers on the line, we always do Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. Eastern time. It's all the marketing calls. But for these 30 days, we're going to focus on trading. Then the next 30 days, we're going to pick it up on marketing. All right? So did anyone have any questions? I know that Sharita is driving, so I know she probably won't be able to come off mute. But anybody else have any questions before we hop off? Because I do 15 minutes or less, and then we off. And it is recorded. But you all know, too, if you ever have any questions, you can always just text me and let me know. I have no problem hopping on the phone with you all or hopping on Zoom. All right. So I want to make sure before we hop off, going once, going twice. Any questions? All right. So I want you all to continue doing this, what you do. Please take advantage of this 30-day trading blitz because it will change and get you to those amounts that you want when it comes to your monthly income goal. So if you go through each one of these every single day, you're going to see some success. All right. So I got a lot of stuff planned for you all because you all have been rocking with me from the start. So we're going to do some great things together. So if there's no questions, I'm going to go and hop off, let you all enjoy your holiday weekend. And if you have any questions, let me know. But if not, I will see you all next week inside the Telegram group. So you all have a blessed, prosperous, and wonderful rest of the Sunday.